Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to turn on or off could not reconnect all network drives notifications. So guys, to resolve and to turn on or off, just follow some easy steps. Firstly click on start, type REGEDIT, open registry editor. If it will ask permissions, so click on yes. Now in here expand HK local machine, then expand system. Now in this list expand current control set. Now expand control. Now in this list find out. Now double click on network provider. Now right click anywhere, new D132 and type restore. Connections. Type similar, restore connection, R and C capital. Now double click on it and make value data 0, then click on OK. And guys, if you need to undo this setting, so come this location and just delete this registry key. So now close it and restart your PC. So like this guys, you can turn on or off could not reconnect all network drives notifications. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.